Okay, I'm here with Faye Wallace. Say hi, Faye. We are going for a hike. She's in the little backpack there. And we are going for a hike through the trails. Who you got with you?
Chase.
2 Chase toys?
Yeah.
Faye and I just got into the trail. And we're climbing down the big hill. What do you think?
Yeah, this is where the creek is.
This is where the creek is. What do you think so far?
I can see the creek even over there.
It's true. It's down there.
That's it.
Okay. This tree, it's a big one, isn't it? Touch the tree? That bark feels pretty cool, doesn't it?
Yeah. Bamboo by it.
Yeah, they're bamboo.
Yeah, it's really hard.
I know. Did you know that bamboo is actually a type of grass?
Daddy's silly, and he put my shoes off, and he's silly.
I pulled you out of the carrier and your shoes fell off. And then why did I take you out? Because you had to go pee?
Yeah.
And you had to go pee in the woods. Silly goose. Alright, you ready to continue hiking?
Yep.
And where should we go?
Linvilla.
Alright, Linvilla. Let's do it. Alright, we're coming up towards Linvilla property.
I can see water stuff out in Linvilla.
There's a bunch of geese out there.
Yeah.
I hear crows too. Quack, 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 quack. Caw-caw. Caw-caw.
Hong Kong. Hong Kong.
There's the geese. Honk, honk. Honk, honk, honk. Honk. Oh, that one's got a hurt leg. I don't want to chase him. See, look, he's limping. He must have got bit by a fox or something.
And that was so cool. Water.
Water. Some fudge. Peanut butter, chocolate fudge. Do you have to pee?
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
And we got a plum. Alright. We gotta pee, folks. We'll be right back. Bath, folks. So is it the best plum you've ever had? It sure does look good. Do you like more the plum or the fudge? Fudge is pretty darn good too. It's a good combo. Plum and fudge.
I like this.
Like the plum more? Good girl. Whoa!
Yeah.
What is this thing?
A monster truck. Come on up.
I can't come up, I'm too big.
But I want someone to drive me.
Oh, you need somebody to drive you? Sure. Sure. Whoa. Yeah? Is this a pirate ship? Nice. Well, we just spooked. Scared a great blue heron and it flew off. That's a cool bird. And it flew off into those trees over there.
Oh, freeze your honey off.
What'd you say?
I'll freeze your hiney off.
If you go in there, yeah, you'll freeze your hiney right off.
Let's go in there.
You want to freeze your hiney right off?
No,
Oh.
it won't freeze his hiney's off. What was that?
Alright, so we're supposed to be meeting up with Mommy and Hazel. Because they're coming this way, and we're going that way, so we should cross paths, but we'll see.
Well, we'll see if we see her.
Yeah, it's like a buoy or something.
You should go get it.
No, I think it's supposed to be in there. Look who we found on the trail.
Mommy!
Who's she with? The rest of our family.
Linvilla.
You went all the way to Linvilla? What'd you eat? Your mouth's red.
Plum. Hi, Hazel. Hi.
Now let's go walk together for a while.
Okay.
Let's go. Wahoo!
All right, we found the other girls, and now we're forced to do some more hiking. So, getting that leg workout in.
Hazel,
Looks like
it
a
looks like
goalpost or a slingshot or the letter Y.
Hi, troops.
it looks like a roller coaster
A
or
roller
maybe a
coaster.
fire pit.
Yeah, this tree is neat.
Yeah.
See, it's like a Y. Comes up, and then it's like a slingshot.
Oh, there's running it.
And I want to walk now.
Look at this big tree that fell.
I want to walk now.
You want to get out?
Wow, good job.
Azul. Hi, girl. Hi, girl.
I'm going to try to touch the creek.
That's it. See if it's nice and cold.
Nice and cold.
Hey, sister. Everybody be very careful. Hey, be careful. Look at these girls, they're wild. Be careful.
Guys, look, I'm over here. Let's do two.
At the same time, now you're getting wild.
I got a big one. Let's touch the water. I'll lead
Okay.
the way when there's two. Ah, and the hood, the way, the way.
Hey, girls. Hey, where'd Faye go? Anybody see Faye? There she
When
is.
there's chaos,